अच्छा सब
গাড়িটা দাগ দাগ
आरो साहब
এটা দাগ Maharaj, what was the meeting?
No, not a meeting. Sukla had called me for dinner.
Uh,
So I went and met him. I met his wife, his children for dinner.
and sir, you have kept an appeal today, I think, that this protest or there will not be any political or anything.
No, because we are not against any political party.
Okay.
हम लोग कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के अगेंस्ट नहीं हैं। हम लोग अपना हिप्रासा का डिमांड रख रहे हैं। कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के अगेंस्ट भी नहीं है और कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का डिमांड भी नहीं है। सो सब लोग वेलकम है। हम लोग अपना जनजाति का अपना डिमांड रख रहे हैं गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के सामने, और अगर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया को उचित लगता है तो वो हमारे प्रॉब्लम को एड्रेस करेगा। तो इसमें अगर हम पॉलिटिक्स ला देंगे तो किसी का सोल्यूशन नहीं मिलेगा। तो मैंने कहा है कि एवरीबडी इज़ वेलकम, बट पॉलिटिकल फ्लैग्स देकर मत आए। ये जाति का इशू है, पार्टी का नहीं।
And how is the response? Other have contacted you from other?
I have contacted, and I'm still hopeful that the government of India will realize that we are not asking for something which is against the constitution. We are asking for what the government of India itself had promised during the elections. And we want land rights, we want economic rights, we want political rights, we want to safeguard our next generation. So if they want to, and they had sent Mr. Mishra down, they had sent negotiations down. So why don't they conclude something right now? Because after Lok Sabha we don't know what will happen. So we want to conclude this before the Lok Sabha election starts.
Sir, any chance of speaking with the Chief Minister or the Home
I will call him up. I'll call up Manik Babu. I'll talk to him. I don't intend to create disruption. I'm just peacefully following the tradition of what Mahatma Gandhi did. I'm peacefully holding up fast to bring attention to the problems of the indigenous people, and I want to help my people. I'm not wanting to hurt anyone. I want to help my people, and I want to bring an early solution. So let's see what the government of India has in mind.
Has the Home Minister tried to contact you, or you
No,
have tried?
I have not spoken to the Home Minister, and neither has he spoken to me. So there is no communication between me and the Home Minister.
Thank you.
Thank you.